Hi. So today we are gonna see the most advanced WhatsApp sender marketing software. It have multiple features like group member grabbing. Okay. It can also grab active group links from websites, which if you want to join the group. Then chatbot. It has AI chatbot. Then contact list grabber. You can grab your own saved contacts. Then B2B data extractor. Okay. After that, it have group joiner. If you don't want to join groups manually, then you can join group here. Okay, just give the software links, or it can extract the links also, and after that you can join them completely. WhatsApp number filter is there. It is super filter. You can filter lakhs of numbers in a day. Like you can filter 10,000 of a lakh numbers in a minute, in few minutes. Then grab active group members. Suppose you don't have to take all the group members, you just want to take the important members which are active, not those who are not active from the past few days, and their number have been banned. Okay, not like that. You want active original group members, then you can use this number to maximize the quality of your leads you are getting. The second thing is grab chat list. In chat list grabber, what you can do, you can start collecting the numbers which are not saved into your mobile phone, but you have chat with them. You can add group members in it. Group finder, it can find keyword, it can find groups on keyword basis. Bulk group generator, it can generate the group. Second thing is the last thing is Google Contact CSV generator. In this, you can save multiple thousands of contacts in a single click into your mobile. Okay, so now I will tell you one by one that how to use these softwares. First thing, we are sending inbox messages. Hi demo. We can copy paste we can upload the Excel here. Okay, if you don't want to upload the Excel, you can just copy paste the number. Okay, here, just import it. Hi demo. Then start. You can set the campaign name, demo. Start. We have to add an account. Okay, we can add multiple accounts at a time, or we can add single account. For auto rotation, if you want to add, then you have to load the account. Now our account has been added. Okay, now what we can do, we can start the campaign. Ads campaign, we can select this account. Okay, and then we start it. Click to initialize. It will automatically load your account. After the initializing have been done, you can start sending the messages. Okay, now I have already received the messages which were sent for the demo. Second message also received. Now the report will show that how many numbers campaign has been done. You can download this report also. Okay, you can see the report have been downloaded. After that, you can send messages into the group. For that, you need to download the group IDs from which the number you have already joined. These all the features we can use for maximizing our target revenue. Like auto group joiner, if you want to automatically join the group, just upload an Excel, okay, and click on initialize, and you will start joining the groups. If you want to grab active group links from the browser, then just open the browser, okay. Suppose I want some WhatsApp group from this page. You can load your own page also, okay. It will start grabbing. It will take a little time for crawling the web page. See the group links. You can save all the group links. Chatbot, if you want to create, add a rule, user send hi, okay. If the user send hi, then exact word or contains or something like that. Hi, hello, hola. Like that, you can add multiple keywords for a particular message. If any of the message contains this thing, this keyword, then you can add a message. Hi, welcome. Like that, you can add, and after that, we can save this chatbot. Like that, we can create multiple rules, and we can create the AI chatbot for which can reply when you are not available. Now for contact list grabber, you have to initialize, and then you can grab all the saved contacts here. Or second thing, you can grab all the groups. What we have to initialize it first. For grabbing all the group, what is the need? If you want to send after grabbing this, you have to take the file in here if you want to send messages into the groups. Okay. Now rest all the features. Now rest all the features, auto group joiner, WhatsApp super filter. About super filter, what you have to do, you can increase the timer also. Okay, if you want to increase to 1 or 2 seconds, if you want to filter your numbers within seconds, like 1,000 number or 10,000, like that, within seconds or minutes, you have to keep it zero. If you have any doubt regarding that, you can ask inside the number given. If you have any doubt, you can ask. The WhatsApp number have been given below.